In this question, we have to determine the probability of spinning blue on this spinner and then flipping heads on this coin. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to consider each of these events independently of each other, because it doesn't matter what I spin here, that's not going to affect what I flip here. So let's look at the spinner to start. So I want the probability of spinning blue, so I want my outcome to be here. That's my favorable. Now, remember, when we're talking about probability, we have the favorable outcomes divided by the total possible outcomes. So in this case, for my spinner, if I want blue, there's only one way to get that, so that's one favorable outcome, and I have 3 total outcomes. So I have a 1 in 3 chance of getting blue on the spinner. If I look at the coin I've actually got 2 sides to it. One side is heads, and the other side is tails. You can see the tails is up here now with the caribou, but we're looking at when I get heads. So again, I have 1 favorable outcome, but I have 2 total outcomes. So the probability here will be 1/2. So the probability of me spinning and getting blue and flipping and getting heads would be 1/3 times 1/2, which would be 1/6. And we'll look right here and we'll see 1/3 times 1/2.